Hey everybody, we're back with another video. We are going to take a look at the Shady Brook area here. A couple areas south of Bexley Trail, kind of east north of Marsh Bend Trail. You'll be able to see some of the water overflow. This is 1 week post Milton video. I just got it over the weekend on Sunday, and I'm posting this on a Monday. You can kind of see in the top right corner how much water is down there, and you're going to get a closer look later as we kind of get into it here. Right now we're flying over Shady Brook, the main entrance off of Bexley Trail, right down Marsh Bend Trail. That's what we're flying over right now, kind of looking east. And these houses on both sides of Marsh Bend Trail in the entrance area have been completed for a little bit. Now this is back toward that top area. We're looking, sorry, not the top area, but down by where Bexley Trail crosses over Marsh Bend Trail. You can see all the construction that has been done over here in Moultrie Creek and Shady Brook. This area is insane. It's already filling up so fast. This area is about, I don't know, 2 minutes away from Middleton, if that. We're flying over the Shallow Creek Championship Golf Course, which has that Boosters restaurant completed right in between Shady Brook and Moultrie Creek. And if you've watched any of the previous videos, you know that a lot of these houses were not there before. Last time I did a video, most of these houses had no roofs or they were just a cement slab. So you can see in that top left-hand corner of the video, the water, and that's what we're headed toward right now. There was quite a bit of water down here. I believe the villagers just pumped it over here. And I don't know, anybody that was in this area during the hurricane could probably weigh in the comments better than I know, because I didn't come to this area last week. I stayed in the Lake Sumter area. But you can see, if you've watched any of the previous videos of this area, this does not typically look like this. This is complete, utter water retention in this area. And I would assume and guess that they pumped a lot of it out of the Moultrie Creek, Shady Brook area and put it south of Bexley Trail here. You can see the water running a specific way. They're probably pushing it. And it was kind of windy on this day, but not too terribly bad. The thing about this is that this area is a little more south than Lake Sumter, so it probably did get a little more water. Again, I can't speak to that. I'm not in this area. I'm not from this area, so you'll see something interesting coming up. Also, they kind of blocked off, and there's like this little canal looking thing. You could probably take a kayak through here. It's definitely deep enough for that. But they have a canal looking area, and a lot of the area around the fill dirt is completely covered in water as well. Now I did fly over Water's Edge as well as La Grange, and I flew over Eastport, Well Point, and the Fairgoot softball complex, and Blanchard Recreation, Oak Hollow, I flew over pretty much this whole area. Nothing looks like this down here south of Bexley Trail or alongside Bexley Trail, kind of southeast that area. And there is a lot of retention, or there are a lot of retention ponds in this area, as well as a lot of walking trails and golf cart trails that go through here, because it is marshy, and they have, I would assume, quite a few wetlands through here. That area that is covered in water, it looks like they had it mapped out for a golf course. I don't know if that's still the plan. You can kind of see this canal here. Let me know in the comments if you have any idea what that is, or what, yeah, what, I mean, what's that being used for currently? It looks like they dug it kind of on both sides of the road there. So maybe to keep the water off the road. I couldn't be positive. Here's that fill dirt that I told you about. You can see they can't really get to that right now. And again, this was on Sunday, so there's not workers out here anyway. I mean, there's subcontractors usually in the housing areas, but not in these areas. So I will tell you, I did a driveway party over in St. John's the other night, and usually the mosquitoes are pretty rough in that area. And maybe because of the hurricane, or maybe because it's been colder, maybe the villages stepped up the spraying, or the developers stepped up the spraying in the air. I do know they do spray, but the mosquitoes weren't as bad this time as they typically are. We were out there past dark. If you've seen that, or you know that they're doing something different, feel free to share with us. So this is that area over here by Saluki and Shady Brook Recreation. And the one we're looking at right here in the middle of the screen is the Shady Brook Recreation Center. This is the mail center. A lot of houses going up around here. There are some homes going up in Water's Edge as well. And this road here is Bar Boulevard, which leads right into Central Parkway past Water's Edge Rec Center. You can see in the background there a lot of the walls getting put up for the neighborhood over there. And then this here is the Saluki Recreation Center, right smack dab in Shady Brook. Beautiful area. I like this area a lot, especially after Eastport is built out and they have that square, live entertainment and all that stuff going on. This is going to be a phenomenal area to live in. I like the fact that Middleton is right there as well. It's just to the west of this area, kind of southwest a little bit. You'll be able to hear the football games at night. And I'd be interested, for the people that do live in this area, how much of that do you hear? And I'm not talking about in your house. I'm talking about outside on your porch. Can you hear them in the background calling the game? And I know they have a big monitor at the charter school also. So I'd be interested in that. I have quite a few videos coming out. Like I said, Water's Edge and Wellpoint, as well as Eastport. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.